Hello YouTube, Grace Repairs here. Today we have a little Rascal mini bike. Alright, this is a kit that you can buy from Go Powersports, and it comes with everything you need to assemble except for the engine. The engine you have to purchase separately, and you have to purchase some sort of kit for it. You can bolt it on, it'll probably fit, but you still need to remove the gas tank. You're going to have to modify the exhaust, so I just went with a stage 1 kit. This is a build your own header, which they had with an I believe it's an RLV muffler. Alright, so I bolted on. It's a 1-inch tube. You weld the pipe to the flange, you cut it to length, you do whatever tweaking you want to it. Alright, so I mounted the fuel tank in the back. All the parts were powder coated, that were bare metal. So obviously the frame and the forks were sent to a powder coater because I don't have a big enough oven to be able to powder coat that, or the UV lights. So hopefully in the future I can purchase that. But I did powder coat the chain guard, this top cover plate, and then the bracket that is connected to the fuel tank. So let's take a look around. Let's walk around it. Okay, so as you can see, the color is powder coated. It is illusion cherry. All right. You see the little Rascal sticker up front. All right, this is a Predator 212 cc with a stage 1. All right, has the air filter adapter, the K&N style filter, and then a bigger jet with the custom exhaust. So you hang off the fuel tank off the back. The only complaint I have about this kit is that it does take a little bit of work to get the rear caliper lined up. They do supply you with some washers to get it spaced out and correct, but it is a little bit of pain to get it perfectly aligned. So that's my only complaint with the kit, but besides that, it works out great. I left the wheels black, and the only other thing I plan on doing is taking the recoil cover and the starter housing, the blower housing and the recoil starter. I'm going to take them off, sandblast them, and powder coat them to match the frame. Alright, so let's put this down and let's start her up and see what she sounds like. If I could take it for a quick spin. Put the camera back here on the tripod. We'll go for a little ride. have it, guys. Little Rascal mini bike from Go Powersports. It's an awesome little mini bike. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we release a new video. Thanks again.